Hello, everyone. I am going to start with key influencers. Key influencers. The key influencers visualization in Power BI allows users to identify factors that influence a particular outcome or metric within their data. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze the relationships between different variables and determine which factors have the most significant impact on the target metric. Users can explore these insights interactively and understand the drivers behind specific outcomes, enabling informed decision-making and strategy development. Then next, decomposition tree. The decomposition tree visualization enables users to break down a single metric or measure into its underlying components or factors. It provides a hierarchical view of the data, allowing users to explore how different dimensions, such as product categories, regions, or time periods, contribute to the overall value of the metric. Users can navigate through the tree structure interactively, drilling down into specific categories or aggregating data at different levels of granularity to understand the underlying patterns and trends. Then next, Q&A, question and answer. Q&A is a natural language querying feature in Power BI. Allows users to ask questions about their data using plain language. Users can type or speak their questions in natural language, and Power BI's Q&A engine interprets the query, generates visualizations or tables based on the data, and presents the results dynamically. Q&A makes it easier for users to explore and analyze data without needing to create predefined reports or visualizations, enabling ad hoc analysis and exploration of data insights.